Chuck basically told Brandon, there is no way you are going to get this done by October 10th when you need to get off this mountain. You will not get it done. To me, that's just, okay, we'll see. And we pulled it off. Brandon and his crew pulled that thing off. We gave them the resources to do it, the people, and we pulled it off. They couldn't believe we did it.
Facing adversity and meeting a challenge is the foundation of innovative companies. A fast-growing company with a proven record of solving problems in an innovative way. One way Innovative solves problems is to manage the job from bid to completion. Projects receive a detailed weekly review with principal owner Darren Lorcher, part owner Rob Passy, and the field personnel involved. No idea is rejected, no suggestion is overlooked.
I couldn't do what I've done here at Innovative without the people I have with me. I'm not that good. The people that work for me are what make the difference.
Building a successful company is like putting together a puzzle. The biggest piece is people. Good people are key, and Innovative's workforce is talented, experienced, and diverse. Here is their story.
Some of the pieces of the puzzles that come together to make Innovative what they are is a direct result of the passion that employees have. A lot of people have worked with different companies, but when they come to Innovative, there's a pulse, there's a feeling, there's humanity here. There's people that want to present their best to be able to make the company best. The company draws it out of you.
Experience. Owners and contractors view projects from different angles and have different needs. A company that can address both sides is a more competent contractor.
One of the strengths that we have here at Innovative Excavation is the fact that there are several people who have that experience and understand the dynamics of working for a contractor and working for an owner. And to bring those understandings together makes us a more competent contractor. And as I approach a job, I take that knowledge with me and that understanding with me, and I'm able to communicate on the contractor level, and I can also communicate on the owner's level because I have that dynamic, I have that understanding.
Like a lot of companies, we have a great deal of depth and experience in our people. With our lead managers and project managers, we have over 200 years of field experience.
Technology. Innovative designs and manages projects using 3D modeling and GPS technology. This guarantees a faster, less costly, and more accurate job.
What the operator will see on their screen is they'll actually see a picture of their machine. And as they move, that machine will move on that plan in real time, so they can see where their physical location is on the job, as well as it will give accurate cut fill information on each side of the blade as they move around. And the technology will actually take over control of the blade and hold the blade to the accurate grade, which enables us to get the tighter tolerances and speeds up the process of getting the work done because the operators aren't tied to the laborer or a grade hand giving them the information on what they need to do.
Teamwork. No amount of experience or technology can produce results without teamwork.
There's always a solution to any type of issue or problem on a job site.
I love to come to work here because there's a sense of the sky's the limit.
Support is company-wide. There's no separation. Everybody works together. We all have a common goal.
Safety. Safety is a major concern for the client, the employee, and the general public. Paul Adams, project manager and safety director, oversees the safety program and is one of 6 certified industrial hygienists in the state of Utah.
And what an industrial hygienist does is they basically, it's a person that can go in and measure air, the contaminants within the air, soil, give the proper PPE, recommend the proper PPE that's needed, proper techniques to use to remediate that hazardous constituent that's in the ground.
Safety is taken very seriously here. We have our safety person, and anytime there is any incidences, even if there is not an incident, it's what we call a near miss. We report it, we talk about it, and we have safety training, we have classes. I work directly with the Utah Department of Transit as far as safety, getting the correct permits, pilot cars, anything we need like that to move equipment safely and transport material around the valley in a not only a safe but a legal manner.
Leadership and integrity. Quality people produce quality results when integrity and leadership are guiding principles.
Performance going forward is based on history. And if you keep track of where you've been, you'll have very good direction about where you're going.
They have a moral compass that's headed due north, and that he sets a good path for us to follow. He sets a good example in the way that we need to interact with our customers and with our employees every day.
The thing about Innovative is come to work in the morning with my integrity. I get to go home with it at night.
Jordan Landing, we've done probably 80% of the infrastructure and the building pads over there. That all started on a handshake, and out of about $15 million worth of work we did there, the first $9 million of it was on a simple handshake. So pretty proud of that project and how it turned out.
The last and most important piece of the puzzle is the customer. Innovative Companies is committed to exceeding expectations and maintaining long-term relationships with their clients.
He's a man of integrity, and he will do whatever it takes to make the customer happy, and he never ever balks on anything related to price. His number one concern is to make sure that the job gets taken care of. We have a relationship, we have a partnership now. I view it as that the relationship we have with Darren is a partnership, that we work with each other to make the project successful for the owner as well as for us. And he's just somebody I can trust.
To date, they never failed me. You know, it's been great.
I'd recommend him to anyone, any contractor, doing anything in trenching, hauling, materials, snow removal, landscaping, maintenance. Very good.
I believe in giving back. We're here for the long haul. We're not here for a season or two. And if you take care of your clients, it'll come around. We're a one-stop shop. We can take it from design build all the way into your years and years of property maintenance and full service.
I see the vision of this company as progressing, and progressing.
Think beyond the task at hand. You have to think about what happens when the next contractor comes on board.
Wow, nobody really has an idea what we're truly capable of.
We're a one-stop shop. We can take care of just about anything you want to ask us. I don't build the building vertical, but there's nothing outside the front door I can't handle.